My name is Nikolina, and I work for the company OS. I have started as a developer, but then moved to the project management and agile trainings and so on. And we are suited in Germany. And a couple of months ago, a friend of mine told me we should not do presentations, but we should be better at storytelling. So today I will tell you a story and check how it's working. So let's start. So here's Finn. He's a project manager, and it was an ordinary evening at his place. He was checking his emails and drinking some coffee and preparing for the next day. But then he looked out of the window and thought, okay, so is this an UFO? Okay, I think I need to stop working now. It was a long day. But then an alien came to him and he started speaking at his language, and he was like, I need some help. Yeah, I want to sell some alien technology on the Earth, and I want to do this with you if it's possible. And Finn was like, yeah, I'm a professional. I don't care how my clients look like or where they came from. So yeah, we can do it. So let's try. So at the next day, they had a really long meeting, and the alien, which was called Jake, by the way, a really strange name for an alien, I think. So he watched some human TV, so he knows how it works on the Earth. So together, they have defined the following scope. So as a business alien, I would like to be able to create sale orders in order to sell some alien technology to the humans. And as a business alien, I would like to create sale orders via an app so that I can be flexible and do it from anywhere in the galaxy. And as a business alien, I would like to have an integrated AI so that it can assist me in the sales. And when they thought about it, Finn told him, okay, so it's a pretty big scope. So let's start with the minimal viable product, yeah, with the essentials that you need to start a project. So I wanted to ask you also, do you start a project also like this? Do you have customers that they come with a lot of requirements, and if possible, they want to have everything at the beginning, for no price, of course? And it's sometimes hard to convince them to say, okay, so let's start small, and we can build on that. So do you have this also? Yeah, okay, so the alien was also like this, so he watched too much TV. False expectations. But they agreed, okay, so we'll start with the first one. So we'll start with creating sale orders, so this will be enough for the beginning, and we'll move on. So at the next day, Finn started to work, and he was like, okay, so I want to create sale orders. He was not so experienced, so he thought, I will check the Odoo website. And if you go there, I will just move this here. Hop, hop, hop. So if you go to the Odoo website and go to community and go to tutorials, and then search here, for example, for sales, you can find some videos which are explaining actually what the Odoo core does. So they are not really up to date, so they are mostly version 8 or version 9, but it's a nice starting point. So you can get an idea of how it's working. So Finn did that, but then he thought, okay, so I actually don't know how it works actually. So I'm a project manager, I don't have the environment. So he thought, okay, then the next step is maybe I can check the runbot. So I think you already heard about it. You watched the presentation of Victor. Obviously, Finn watched it too. So he just went to the run bot, and here you can see that you can go to Odoo. So this is the core. And if you click on this button, you can go to a system where all modules are installed. But you can also go here to the settings, and you can connect base. So this means that only the base modules of Odoo will be installed in this instance. And then you can install yourself everything that you want. Of course, you have the enterprise and so on. But let's just click here. So this is what Finn did. And obviously, Finn had a really bad internet connection. Okay, so we are here, and we would like to sign in. And the username is admin, of course, and the password, I won't tell it, so it's a secret. But I think most of you know it, and it's also admin. Okay, and it's like this all the time. Hopefully, there are no live system with this password. But yes, so here is the run bot. So here one can test everything. So Finn just went there, and he was like, okay, we need sale orders, so I will go to the sale orders. He created a new sale order, okay, choosing a customer, choosing a product. Okay, so we have a product, and then we are sending the quotation to the customer. Oh, pretty nice, okay. And then it's confirmed. Okay, perfect. So he showed this to Jake, and Jake was like, okay, yeah, we can start with it. But I actually sometimes will cancel orders, or will cancel sale orders, maybe from here. Okay, you can cancel it and send an email, it's fine. But I have also some fellow aliens, and they're doing some crazy stuff sometimes. So I would like to know why they have canceled a sale order. Do we have this functionality? And Finn was like, I think we don't, but maybe we can check in the configurations. So go to the settings and then see what we can configure here. No, it seems there is no canceling reason, okay? But Jake said, okay, you have a discount here. I want to be able to add a discount. So I know that the humans are negotiating all the time, and they want to have everything cheaper and so on. So I like this option. So they just activated it, save it. And then on the orders, they were able to add a discount. So this is how it started. So they have checked the course, they have checked the videos, they have checked the core, and then they have checked the settings. But there were all this requirement for adding a cancellation reason was not there. But they decided, okay, so we can go live like this, so we don't have to wait for the new functionality, right? So is it essential to have a reason? Maybe they can just add a note here, what is it, and so on, even it's not the best way to do it, but they can go live. So they decided, okay, we are live. So Jake was able to start selling some alien technology on the Earth. So this was cool, but he still wanted to have this other future. So do you have an idea how can we continue with our project? Yeah, let's do it. So next time I will bring a mouse. Okay. So we were here, and now we are on the OCA. So you're right. Next step is to go to the OCA website. So I most of the time use the GitHub OCA, but actually you can also search in the Odoo community website, And here you have the App Store, so you can actually search for the different apps directly here. There are also some nice filters about the version and so on. I will just go now to the GitHub. So as you know already from the Victor the presentation from Victor, you can type something here. So I will just type sales. And I will check what repositories are there. And here, if you just shortly look, you can see, okay, sales cancel reason. Maybe this is what Jake needs. So we click on it, and yeah, it looks nice. So we read the documentation, and normally one can also start the run bot directly from here, even though I don't see it right now. Maybe Victor can help?
Yeah, it's on the you have to go up to say workflow. Go down. The first one.
Here, okay. So normally we have this also on the app itself. I don't know why it was not there now. But okay, so we can do it from here. So you can see there's a lot of red boxes. Okay, I think we cannot use those, but we can use the green one. So we just need to click the live button, and of course, as it was said already, one can also restart here and build again, but we don't have to do this right now. So I will just click the live button. And someday it will open. Nice, so we are here, and we can go to sales. We can just check how it works. So we have a quotation. We have different quotations here. I just check if we have something. I will confirm one of those, and then I will cancel one of those. So let's see, I would like to send it. Oh, I cannot send it, so I need to add the reason why this was canceled. And here you can see some options, for example, service no longer needed. So we have it, and we have here the cancellation reason. So Finn just showed this directly to Jake because we have runbot, and the OCA modules can be tested directly from there. So he done this, and Jake was like, oh, perfect, so this is what I want. So I want to have this module. Okay, so in the next release, they have added this functionality, and everything was fine. But actually, Jake wanted some more. It was not enough. He was like, really, okay, I want to have a picture of myself on the sale order. Or maybe I would like to just be able to choose a different picture each time when I sell something and make the sale order pretty nice, like with my picture and so on. And you know, like, oh, okay. Are you sure that you want this? Yeah, I want my picture on the sale order. This will be pretty cool. And then Finn told him, okay, are you aware of because this is like not really standard functionality that you can find in the OCA, or it's not in the Odoo core also. So are you sure that you want it? And he said, yeah, I want it. And Finn went and said, okay, so if you want it, then maybe we'll possibly need to develop this ourselves. And it's not only the cost to develop it, but you have to maintain it afterwards, yeah? Because Odoo is cool, so each year there is a new version and so on, so we have to migrate it. So it's not only the cost that you will have at the beginning, but you will have the cost afterwards to migrate it each time when you migrate your system. And do you still want to have it? Yeah, I still want to have it. I don't care. I will pay the price. So I'm alien. I have money. It does not matter. So they have decided, okay, we'll do it. So we will develop it. But it's really important. We would like to push back to the OCA. So also other people can use the code, yeah? And then he explained, Jake, what are actually the benefits, not only for the OCA, because they will get something, but what are the benefits also for them. So can you imagine what those benefits are?
People migrating code to some.
Yeah, so you will get free migrations. Yeah, so you don't have to pay each time when you want to migrate if someone else already migrated. And what else?
Contribution.
Yeah, so but this is also more for the community, the contribution. I'm talking now for the benefits that you as a contributor can have. So maybe visibility. So the people will see your company doing some stuff in the OCA. What else? Yeah?
Potential improvement that other people in the community could make or contribute to your initial foundation.
Yeah, exactly. So you can get a further development of the future, and you can also, it's easier to find bugs or to get some free bug fixing if someone else finds something. So improvement of it. Yeah, so a lot of nice stuff, right? So we need to push back to the community more often. Yeah, so Jake gets this functionality because it was really important for him. But they, of course, push back to the community so that other people can also take advantage of this new cool feature. And they have contributed to the community, but they had also the benefits back from this contribution. So at the end, Jake was really happy. And of course, at the end, Finn just woke up. Yeah, so this was everything from me. Do you have some questions, or do you want to know how the story went further? Maybe. Yeah.
Don't have a question, but I was wondering if you could show the code.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I prepare it and then I forget it, of course. Before here is the auto code search. So here you can search also for different modules, and you have also different keywords. Of course, the internet connection should be good to do this. But yeah, you can just open it and you can see here. So you see the module, the author, the repository, and so on. So if you want to search, for example, for a sale order where you can put a picture on it, you can do it using this tool. So just play around. It's a nice thing. Other questions or feedback? No? Then thank you for your attention and see you around.